In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Lucidchart diagrams with someone who doesn't yet have a Lucidchart account. This can be incredibly useful if you're collaborating with a team or sharing with a client who isn't currently on the platform. Let's dive into the step-by-step process so you can easily extend your Lucidchart experience to others. First, you'll want to start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Lucid website. This is the platform where all your diagrams and collaborative projects are stored, and it will be the starting point for sharing your work. Once the page is fully loaded, look to the top right corner for the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account details, allowing you to access your saved documents and design projects. For those who prefer using Google for seamless integration, simply choose the option to sign up or log in using your Google account. This method allows for a quicker access path without having to remember or type out additional passwords. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where you can see all your recent projects. Pick the document you want to share by clicking on it to open it up in the editor view. Here is where you'll be able to make adjustments, finalize changes, and prepare your document for sharing. In the upper right portion of the editor, you'll notice the Share button. Click on this to bring up your sharing options, a crucial step where you'll decide how and what you want to share. Typically, Lucidchart requires collaborators to have an account to work directly on the document, but there's an easy workaround by enabling the publication option and sending the link separately. Next, activate the toggle to generate a shareable link for your document. This is a very versatile method as it creates a URL that can be pasted anywhere, effectively making it possible for non-users to access your content. Now it's time to fine-tune the access level, depending on what responsibility you want to provide to the recipient. You'll have the option to set the document to view-only mode, allow editing, or even allow further sharing. Controlling these permissions ensures that your document's integrity is maintained as per your requirements. Finally, clicking on the Copy Link button will save the generated link to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it into an email, instant message, or any other communication channel you prefer. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Lucidchart document for sharing with someone outside